Sensory adaptation. What do you mean by sensory adaptation? Can you define sensory adaptation? What are the types of sensory adaptation? Detail going on. Neural adaptation or sensory adaptation is a change over time in the responsiveness of the sensory system to a constant stimulus. It is usually experienced as a change in the stimulus. For example, if one rests one's hand on a table, one immediately feels the table surface on one's skin. Stimulation is much above the threshold. Under these circumstances, we are able to make adjustment and adopted a pattern of behavior, make up with the existing new level of stimulation. This method of adjustment is called sensory adaptation. Can you define sensory adaptation? It is the diminished sensitivity of the sensory receptors due to overstimulation. Types of sensory adaptations. 1. Temperature adaptation. 2. Dark adaptation. 3. Smell adaptation. 4. Light adaptation. First, detail about temperature adaptation. Body reacts to temperature as long as the stimulus is not extreme. For instance, scalding hot water, your body will adjust to it very quickly. The human body perceives the sense of touch through the skin. The skin contains many receptors, all of which have different functions. There are receptors for such sensations as heat, cold, pressure, and pain. Sensory adaptation to temperature is why your body quickly becomes used to a cold shower that may have been shocking at first. It is also the reason why your body quickly becomes used to a hot bath, which might have been uncomfortable at first. Second, dark adaptation. Dark adaptation occurs when the intensity of light is reduced. This reduced light intensity causes your eyes to adapt to the darkness. Some changes occur in your eyes to allow this to happen. First, there is a noticeable dilatation of the pupil to grant more light access to the retina. The next change or adaptation is the increased sensitivity of the color receptors of the eye. When there is little light, there is an increase in chemicals in the eye that react to light. To enable more of them to be struck by photons or light particles. The final adaptation is the rods, which are responsible for night vision, like cones. Light sensitive chemicals in the rods increase when there is poor illumination. 3. Smell adaptation. The sense of smell quickly adapted to any smell, be it pleasant or unpleasant. When someone with a particularly bad body odor enters a room, the bad smell is immediately apparent to people in the room. However, after a very short time, the smell will cease to be as obvious because a sensory adaptation to the smell has occurred. When someone else comes into the room from outside, he will be struck by the unpleasant smell which people in the room have adopted. 4. Light adaptation. Physical and chemical change which occur in the eye of humans as a result of a change in the concentration of light. Most notably, the contraction in excess light of the people or its dilatation in not enough light. The dilatation and contraction of a human's pupils is an example of light adaptation, and that in order to protect the retina in well lit areas, the pupil will contract in size. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.